अगर आप भी मेरी तरह मूवी का शौकीन है तो ये वीडियो पूरा देखना। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो टॉप 3 वेबसाइट्स which helps you can download and watch any of the movies which is free. So let's start. Number 3 website is Hindi Movies TV. Simply go to Hindi Movies TV, then download on first link, then scroll down, then selected movie. Now scroll down, here you can see stream and download. Our second movie name is The Movieverse. Simply search The Movieverse, then click on first link, then you can select any of movies like that. Now scroll down and here you can see some of the screenshot and link, watch online or download links. So simply you can download. And finally, number 1 website. The number 1 website is oc.in. So search oc.in, then here you can see movies. Now click on any of the movies like that, then play and download. So thank you for watching this video.